guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. My name is Misha and I upload videos on Sundays around luxury, lifestyle, beauty, and fashion. So if you're here for that, let's go. Alright guys, today's going to be a quick video because I have an unboxing. And I don't think I've done an unboxing in a little bit. I love unboxings. I know they're kind of falling out of favor, but I love them. I love to watch them. I love to see what people got, and this is a really good one because I got it off my wish list, right? So my goal for this year was to, try and not buy too much. Well, I'm failing at that goal, but I was still able to check something off my wish list, which is great, and I can't wait to show you guys. Alright, any guesses what it is? 3, 2, 1. It's in this box here. Does anyone remember what was on my wish list? Da, 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 da. It is this. So I first saw this bag last year, and it's been on back order ever since. And I put myself on the wait list on Net-a-Porter, on the Jacquemus website, and all these different places. And I just happened to be browsing, I think through Bergdorf's website, and they had the gold one that was ready for pre-order. I was like, well, if they're bringing the gold, like the whole thing is gold, and I think the knobs are silver, if they're bringing the gold one out, they must be bringing the silver one back. And I just went and looked at Jacquemus website. There it was, and I got it in 2 days. Love it so much. All right, so this is obviously brand new out of the box. I've never actually touched it before, so let's see how this bag works. Okay, so it has like a magnet to open this part up, and it kind of rolls up like a sandwich bag would, I guess. And then inside just looks like canvas, like that. And I guess it rolls back down. I've heard reviews about this being heavy. I mean, it puts a little heft on it. I don't know if it'll be heavy for me to like carry on a day-to-day basis. There's no like long strap. There's no crossbody strap or shoulder bag strap. So this is purely a clutch. Just gonna stuff it so it keeps its shape. I'm gonna take this plastic off. Let's see how that looks under there. Pretty. I heard that this bag gets a lot of fingerprints on it, and that might not be the best thing. I do have one more surprise for you guys though. Let me take this plastic off. Oh, that's so pretty. So what I loved about this was the silver. I love anything metallic with the gold, and just how different, and the difference between the knobs, right? So one's square and one's round. I really like that. Thought that was pretty cool, and then to bring it just as a clutch. Now, when I first saw this bag, Tory Burch also had these pair of shoes out, and I was just like, I want those shoes to go with this bag. So I've had these shoes that I'm about to show you now for about 6 months, maybe even a year, because that's how long I was on the wait list to get this bag. But let me show you those shoes. Alright, so these I think are still in store. I saw them, but I got them on like a big sale. I think it was maybe like 25-30% off. And kind of bear with me, it's a different type of shoe for me, but I just thought it would go so well with the bag. So again, the silver with the gold. I love this like little curve in the heel. And then we have a square applique on the front and a round applique on the front. Just kind of mirroring this bag. Like, can you see this with like a all white outfit, maybe white pants, white shirt in this, or white dress in this? I mean, this is beautiful. I love this. Now, alright, so that's it guys. Tell me what you think of my new kind of duo here, my two matchy, and let me know if you want, actually I think I will, let me know if you want me to do like some kind of try on of these and show you how I would style them. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. It really does help the algorithm. And follow me over on Instagram at the_stylemd, where I show my daily outfits. Alright guys, bye.